Hi everyone, today we're gonna do K12 Math. Yay, we have 500 subscribers. Thank you everyone. Let's go. Try it. Review whole numbers divided by unit fractions. Okay, let's go. Which model shows 2 divided by 1/3? Is it A, B, C, or D? 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is A. This number line can be used to determine the quotient 6 divided by 1/4. What is the quotient of 6 and 1/4? Is it A, 1/24, B, 1 1/2, C, 12, or D, 24? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is D, 24. Which problem can be solved by determining 3 divided by 1/2? Jessica and 2 teammates run a relay race that is a total of 1. Is it A, this one, the first one, B, the second one, or C, the third one? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C, the last one. To solve 2 divided by 1/5, Natalie thinks about some tiles that are each 2 meters long, 1.5 meter long, and how many tiles would she need to make a length of 2 meters? What is the quotient of 2 and 1/5? Is it A, 1/5, 2, 2/5, C, B, 2/5, C, 10, or D, 20? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C, 10. A scientist has 5 liters of a solution. Each experiment requires 1/3 of the solution. This model represents the number of experiments the scientist can perform. How many experiments can the scientist perform? Is it A, 10 experiments, B, 15, C, 20, or D, 25? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B, 15. Which statement about determining the quotient of 10 and 1/5 is true? Is it A, 10 divided by 1/5 equals 100 because 100 times 1/5 is 10? B, 10 divided by 1/5 equals 50 because 50 times 1/5 equals 10? C, 1/5 is 10 divided by 1/5 equals 15 because 15 times 1/5 is 10? Or D, 10/5 divided by 1/5 equals 2/5 because 2/5 times 2/5 times 1/5 2 times 1/5 equals 10/5. You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Correcto. Correctamundo. James is finding the quotient of 4 and 1/11. He writes this statement. 4 divided by 1/11 equals blank because blank times 1/11 equals 4. Which number does the square represent? Is it A, 1/44, B, 4/11, C, 25, or D, 44? You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 44. D. Divide 9 divided by 1/7 equals A, 63, B, 27, C, 16, or D, 2. You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 63. Ho, ho, ho. Divide. What is 12 divided by 1/6? Is it A, 2, B, 6, C, 18, or D, 72? You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 72. A pet store has 7 pounds of rabbit food. A rabbit eats 1/8 of a pound of food each day. How many servings of rabbit food does the pet store have? Is it A, 14, B, 28, C, 42, or D, 56? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 56, which is D. We're doing a great job before the quiz. Okay, let's open the quiz. I don't know why it wasn't loading. Okay, let us do the quiz. Let's get every answer right. Which division problem can be described using this model? Is it A, 4 divided by 2, B, 4 divided by 1/2, C, 4 divided by 1/8, or D, 1 divided by 1/8? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 4 divided by 1/2. Use the model to determine the answer. What is 6 divided by 1/3? Is it A, 1/18, B, 1/2, C, 1/12, 12, or D, 18? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 18. What is the quotient of 6 and 1/4? Tell me in the live stream chat. What is the answer? You have 10 seconds to tell me the answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 24. There are 10 bags of cereal in a pantry. Each cereal is 1/8 of a bag. How many servings of cereal are there in the bags in the pantry? You have 10 seconds to answer in the live stream chat. 10, or in the comments. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 80. Which statement about determining the quotient 1/3, 1 divided by 1/3 is true? Is it A, because 18 times 1/3 equals 12, and 12 divided by 1/3 is 18? B, because 9 times 1/3 is 12, and 12 divided by 1/3 is 9? C, because 36 times 1/3 is 12. 12 divided by 1/3 is 36. Or D, because 4 times 1/3 equals 12, and 12 divided by 1/3 equals 4. You have 7 seconds to answer. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. Divide. What is 2 divided by 1/10? Tell me in the comments or in the live chat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 20. divide. What is 12 divided by 1/8? You have 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is... The answer is 96. Last question. An employee at a toy store. Let's see.
An employee at a toy store wants to put as many teddy bears as she can on the display. Each teddy bear weighs 1/4 pound. The display can hold a maximum of 14 pounds. How many teddy bears can the employee put on the display? Enter your answer in the box. Teddy bears. 1, 2.
Okay. Sorry about that. The 1-2 part. What is the answer? You have 10 seconds to put it in comments or live chat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is let's see. The answer is 56. If we get 100%, you have to subscribe. Subscribe. We got 100%. Isn't that good, guys? I know you guys are all celebrating. Okay, more math practice. Let's go to the next module. A module is like a different assignments. Okay.
Can you imagine watching paint dry? Or trying to measure the thickness of paint on a wall? One coat of paint, once dry, can be as thin as 1/1000th of an inch.
Okay, let's watch a video.
There's a problem in the machine shop. Someone took out a piece of sheet metal and didn't put it back. Sheet metal is stored by thickness, and this piece doesn't have a label. How will the machinists know where the piece of sheet metal goes? The machinist can use a micrometer to measure the thickness of the metal. A micrometer is a special tool that can measure objects to the nearest 1/1000th of an inch. Imagine dividing an inch into 1,000 equal parts. 1,000th is one of those parts. 1,000th can be written as a fraction, 1/1000, or as a decimal, 0.001. This piece of sheet metal measures 25 hundredths of an inch, or 1/4 of an inch. Phew! Problem solved, and the machinist can return the sheet metal to its proper place. Knowing how decimals work can help you work with quantities more easily and accurately.
Okay, now the video's over. Let's continue. How am I supposed to click it? Okay, there you go. Let's take a look. What is the expanded form of 2,483? Is it A, B, C, or D? You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is D. Correctamundo. Okay. Move the slider to compare 1/10, 100th, and 1,000th. This is 1/10. This is 100th, and this is 1,000th. That is a very small piece compared to the tenths. Look how big the tenth is and how small the hundredth is. The thousandth, I mean. A place value chart shows the value of each digit, and here's the in a number. Here's the number 1,725,809 in a place value chart. You can have 5 seconds to observe this. 10 seconds actually, because I know most of you will want to see it clearer and for longer. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go on. The place value chart extends to the right for decimal numbers. Here's the number 293 and 467 thousandths. You have 10 seconds to look at it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to the next one. The standard form. This is the standard form when it's all together. Expanded form is adding each place value. For example, this hundreds place, you have to do hundreds all by itself, like 200, tens by itself, 90, ones by itself, 3, tenths by itself, 4 tenths, hundreds by itself, 6 tenths, and thousands by themselves, 7 thousandths. The expanded form can show the digits multiplied by a power of 10. Compare the two All both of these could work. You have 5 seconds to observe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is... How is 1,307 and 806 thousandths written in expanded form? Think there's 1,300s, no tenths, 7 ones, 8 tenths, no hundredths, and 6 thousandths. Okay, I'm going to write this. Reset and then write. You can write it down if you want to. And if you're going to write it down, you have 10 seconds to write it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can always go back in the stream if you want to. How is 8 times 100, 3 times 1... 8 times 100 plus 3 times 100th times plus 9 times 1,000 written in standard form? Think. There are 800ths, 300ths, and 9 thousandths. Use 0 for the missing places in between those digits. You have 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer is... Just kidding. The answer is 839 hundredths. Thousandths, I mean. Write this number in expanded form. You have 10 seconds to answer that question. 10, 9, 8, 10, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is this. Next, try it. Okay, the 1 is the 10. And then switch, and then go like that. And that's the tenths, and that's the 1,000. 10,000, yeah. What is this number in standard form? You have 10 seconds to answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is... The answer is... 500. Wait. 500. And... Are you serious? 67 hundredths. I'm gonna disappear that. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Okay, let's go. Drag and drop each. Yeah, okay. So, the 3 is in the tens place. The 2 is in the ones place. And the 7 is obviously in the 1,000 place. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, 9,000. Okay. Just a second. Okay, let me just get something. Okay, so let's open the link. I've already started working on it. Whoops. Let's see. Okay. $500 plus oops. Okay. $500 plus 4 plus let me write that as a decimal. 0.8 plus 0.007. Yeah. Add to write the number in standard form. 504. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. 1 times. No. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. 1 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 8 times 1 plus 2 times 0.1. Bum, 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 bum. I know, I just copy this, paste. I basically just copy each one. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. That is 7 times 1. 3 times 0.1. 0.0. 1 times 0.01. And then, oh yeah, this is pretty easy now. Bum, 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 bum. It'll be all done in a snap. And there we go. We have completed it. Let's go to the last few parts. Bum, 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 5 times 1, 7. I think we are done. Save that with my changes. And be sending that to my teacher soon. Let's go back. Bum, 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 bum. 706. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's see what's the answer here. 0.41. Finish. Keep working. Yes. Submit the activity. Oh, I accidentally put 10. Oh well. Bum, 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 bum. Thank you, Javier Torres. Thank you so much. Hi, Bright 6 Future. Hello. Okay, let's continue. Let's do this one last module before we have to end this video, sadly. But we will be back in the next video, though. Bum, 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 bum. Get ready. Ooh, okay. Oh. Instant recall. This is more than instant. Instant recall. Instant call. Instant recall. Instant recall. Got all of them right, yeah. All of them right, yeah. I'm gonna speed run this. And then 300, yes. Told you I'm going really quick. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Ooh. In fractions. Suppose the metal part has a thickness of 2 1/3 millimeters. Wait, reading.
Learn how to read and write decimal numbers. Suppose a metal part has a thickness of 2.13 millimeters. Some might informally read this number as 2.13, but there is a mathematical way to read decimal numbers. The number 2.13 means 2 wholes, 1/10, and 3/100. 1/10 equals 10 hundredths, so there are 2 wholes and 13/100. Read the number as 2 and 13/100. 2 large squares, a column of 10 small squares, and 3 small squares next to that. The large squares are labeled as 2 wholes and the small squares are labeled as 13/100. 1/8.
Okay, there you go. Let's keep continuing.
Text transcript. Previous page. Page 2 of 3. Next page.
What? No. Oops.
Learn how to read and write decimal numbers. You do not need to draw or think about models to read a decimal number. You will always read decimal numbers correctly if you follow these steps. How to read a decimal number. Read the whole number part of the number. This is the part to the left of the decimal point. Read the decimal point as and. Read the decimal part of the number, using the place value farthest to the right in that number. 2/8. Text transcript. Previous page. Page 2 of 3. Next page.
Okay, did you get that? Okay.
$15 and 296 thousandths. Notice that I did not say the word "and" when reading the decimal portion of the number. You must only say the word "and" to indicate the decimal point. Also, when I read the decimal point of the number, I used the place value that is farthest to the right. I read the number of thousandths. Listen to the number again. 15 and 296 thousandths.
Awesome! Yeah! High five!
10,000. 246 and 8/100ths. Did you hear the difference? 10,246 and 8/100ths. Did you hear the difference between the words hundred and hundredths? Remember, when you read a whole number alone, you don't say the word and. So when you read the whole number portion of a decimal number, you don't say the word and. You only say the word and to signal that there is a decimal point. Listen to the number again. 10,246 and 8/100ths. Five hundredths. When there is no whole number, you do not say the word zero or the word and. But it's important to write the zero before the decimal point. Listen to the number again. 5 hundredths. $146 and 23 thousandths.
146 and 23 thousandths.
2,058 and 71 hundredths.
2,058 and 74 and 71 thousandths. Knowing how to read a decimal number can help you with write a number in standard form when that number is either said aloud or written in words. Write this number in standard form, 5 and 90 thousandths. Write the number that is before the word and. Write a decimal point for the word and. Write the number that is after the word and using zeros as placeholders as needed. The thousands places the third place to the right of the decimal. For the number 19 to end in the thousand place, the digit 1 must be written in the tens place. Fill the tens with the zero. The digit 1 should be written in the hundreds place. Fill the tens place with a zero. Okay. Write this number in standard form. 1,440 and 7/10. Tell me in the comments. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer is this. Hi, Anime Semyon. You want me to do I Ready? Well, guess what? I'm about to post an I Ready video. So, don't worry. Shout out to Anime Senyin. Okay. Good job. Okay. I Ready is coming soon. Don't worry. try. Read and write decimal numbers. Okay. What is the correct name for this number? Is it A, 44 hundredths, B, 400 hundredths, C, 44 thousandths, or D, 404 thousandths? Tell me the answer. Okay, 10 seconds to answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is... What is the answer anyway? $404,000. Correct. What number is the micrometer displaying? Oh wait, hold up.
Try reading and writing decimal numbers. James reads the display on a micrometer. He correctly says that the number shown is 126 thousandths. What number is the micrometer displaying? 0.126, 100.026, 100.260, 120.006. Check answer. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you heard it right. What is the answer? 126 thousandths. B is the answer. It's already there. So just wait. No, I mean 126 thousandths. That's what I mean. What is this number in standard form? 33 and 25 thousandths. Enter your answer in the box. Okay. Tell me the answer in the live chat. Okay. You have 10. You have 10 seconds to answer. And remember, and is the decimal point. And is the decimal point. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 33 and 25 thousandths. You're a big fan, Anime Semyon. What is what is the correct name for this number? Is it A, 19 and 32 tenths, B, 19 and 32 hundredths, or C, 19 and 32 thousandths? You have 10 seconds to answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Any guesses? The Okay. Any guesses? C? Okay. The answer is actually B. It's okay if you get it wrong. James stayed home for soccer practice because he had a temperature of 101 and 4 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the correct way? Wait, didn't I just read it? What is the correct way for James to read the number 101.4? Okay. The answer is B. The answer is what? Okay. You think the answer is B? It's 6th grade math, okay? End poll. Okay. What do you think the answer is? Is it A, B, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D? What is the right answer? You have 10 seconds to answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me check the answers. A? You think the answer is A? Actually, that is correct. Good job. Nice work. You got it. What is the standard form of this number? 411 thousandths. Hold up. Okay, hold up just 1 second. Yep. What do you think the answer is? Okay, you have 10 seconds to decide your answer. 10, 9, 8, and 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is... Let's see what you said. The answer is actually C. You're doing very well. I cannot believe how smart you are. C is the correct answer. Okay, you're actually doing nice. What is this number in standard form? 208 thousandths. Oh, hold up. Okay, just a second. I'm setting up a poll. Okay. What do you think the answer is? Is it A, 200? Is it A, the first one, B, the second one, or C, the third one? And a reminder, and is the decimal point. If there's no and, there's probably no decimal point. A? Your answer is A? Are you sure? You can change it. If you can't change it in the poll, you can just change it in the live chat. If you're not sure, you can change it. But if you're pretty sure, say it again. If you're sure. Oh, you're not sure? Oh, well. B? Okay. What is your final answer? Is your final answer B? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You say the answer is B? Okay. The answer is B. You got it correct. What is the correct name for this number? Hold up. Oops. Never mind. Okay. What is the correct answer? Is it A? Wait. Is it A, B, C, or D? What's the answer for this question? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. What is the answer? 5 seconds to decide. 5, 4, 10 seconds actually, that's too short. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is A. Okay, let me check the answers. A? You think the answer is A? Okay, you think the answer is B? Remember what I said. Whatever I'm on does not mean that's automatically the correct answer. Okay. The answer. You think D? D's your final answer? 7. The answer is. Let's see if you're correct. You are correct. Nice job. Nice job. Okay. Let me end the poll. Okay. What is the correct name for this number? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, what do you think the answer is? You think the answer is A? Okay, do you think the answer is A? Is the answer A, B, C, or D? 5 seconds to see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm sorry, but the correct answer is actually C. But you're still doing well. You almost got all of them correct. Okay. What is the answer? 5 seconds to put it in chat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 606 tenths. Hundreds. That is the correct answer. We do the wrap up? Okay, let's go really fast. 305 thousands. 305 thousands. 305 thousands. 305 thousands. 300. 3 and 5 cents. Yeah. 3 and 500. Okay, we're done. No. 6, 7 on a Merry Christmas. 6, 7. Okay. This video is taking such a long time. I think, okay. If you want to see us do it, okay. Bye, guys. We will see you in our next. Just kidding. Hold up a second. Okay. Bye, everyone. See you in our next